Alright, I'm testing out my new VAVA Dash Cam today for this video, so I hope you can hear me. If not, either way, we're taking a bay ride in around like Cape May County, from North Cape May, whatever the hell I end up, that's where we're gonna be. Yeah, so enjoy. Alright, first I think we're gonna check out the ferry port. I don't know. I'm just gonna like loop around and shit. Yeah, and then as you can see, if some of you didn't know, this is my car now. It's a 92 Chrysler LeBaron. I'm a year and a half older than it. Sorry if I'm like strictly kind of like in the picture frame or the shot, so to speak, but it's probably the best way I'll get like most of the water. But I'll try to like angle it around a little bit so you guys see more of it. But this is just a typical bay ride. Well, aside from traffic and literally cooking in my car, it's been a pretty, decent day so far off. a very hot effing day, and it's only going to get hotter, but until then, I'll see you guys. On diners, drive-ins, and dives. Alright, I'm done. I'm sorry. I